Shankar, Kasturi Shankar, okay. I want to come in because you know we will all hear the political diatribe on both sides. I want to ask you, does this seem normal that a bail that is given by a court comes a little late? There is an error, it goes back, a new typewritten stuff comes, and then it takes time. So, you know, the man has to spend, despite his bail, a night in jail. Then there is stoning of his house. All of this. Does it seem like a coincidence? Does it seem like everything is all right and kosher?
No, let's be very clear here. There was a definite attempt to put Mr. Allu Arjun in jail and make an example out of him, or teach him sabak sikana tha usko. I don't, you know, we'll come to the point of why. But there was definitely the well thought out effort to put him in jail. He had to go to jail. That was somebody's assignment. That much is for sure, because even the fact that they arrested him on Friday afternoon was only because he had moved to court. I mean, obviously, Mr. Allu Arjun also has friends in high places, probably. So he moved to court to quash his FIR on Thursday. If that had not happened, I am willing to wager my head that he would have been arrested on Friday evening after the courts were done for the day, and then he would have by default have spent 3 nights in jail before his bail would have kicked in on Monday. So you're talking about bail getting delayed. I'm talking about how he got away with just 1 night in jail. There are several conspiracy theories floating around in Telangana and Andhra today. The Telugu people are divided, and we haven't spoken about anything in our part of this world. I'm here, and we've literally forgotten about everything else going on. And we are only talking about this when the chief minister talks about it for about an hour in the assembly. Obviously, the entire state, 2 states, and then the entire nation is talking about it. I feel, number one, I think it wouldn't have become such a huge issue if it had not been politicized. I mean, we see that on your panel right now. It's become a tug of war between the BJP and the Congress, and on other debates it has been the BRS and the Congress. I believe that the politicization had something to do with the dirtiness of it all now. And I'm talking about dirtiness, mud being slung on both sides right now. It's very unfortunate, because it really takes away from the plight of the child. The mother is dead and the child is now responding. That's the good news in this. And we need to all give a collective prayer to that child to come out and survive. So, you know, I think it's really distracting from that. But that said, I believe that at some point, the ruling government was looking at Mr. Allu Arjun's pan-India influence. I believe that the Congress as a party nationally and regionally is trying its level best to curb the voices through its India alliance, Indie alliance, so to speak. I believe that all the parties there are used to silencing voices that they think may become against them. I think Mr. Allu Arjun, he campaigned for the YSRCP candidate. He didn't campaign for the party. He campaigned for a good friend of his. I believe there is a personal agenda. The people are talking about
personal agenda. Because of a personal agenda, Vivek Srivastava, should somebody be doing this if there is a personal agenda? And the question many are asking is, where is the sense of perspective? Where is the sense of perspective in this entire? Do you go this far? How far do you go? When does the law kick in? Where is the maintenance of law and order? And is the blame only on Allu Arjun's doorstep? Or does the police also have to take some amount of blame for not being able to manage? What was their intelligence doing?
Okay. First of all, Kasturi Shankar has no business to be accusing India Alliance and all the parties and members of the India Alliance to, I mean, it's
she's
a
a
very
free
high-handed
citizen.
statement.
She's a
Kindly
free
don't use
citizen.
such language.
She has a view.
Yeah. No,
Which
you
she
can
can
be a critical,
express.
you can be whoever. You are a
Party
BJP
India
supporter.
Alliance.
She's a
So,
BJP supporter.
Sir, you don't
Yeah.
tell me
She's a BJP
about
supporter.
how it feels.
If you are
to be
neutral,
jailed.
you cannot make a high-handed statement against everyone in India Alliance.
Sir, we will
Every
talk
party in
about
so many
high-handed
states,
arrests
all of
first
us are
and
doing
then
police
high-handed
excesses.
statements
All of us
later.
are doing victimization.
You don't want
the BJP is a
another
doodh ka
Pawan
dhula.
Kalyan
So all this is
happening
a
in
high-handed
your
statement. It should
territory.
not be
And
done.
that's what it is.
Ah.
You didn't object to
Yes,
the police
Pawan
commissioner
Kalyan-
making
Pawan
the
Kalyan
high-handed
started as a fan of
statement
Che
against
Guevara.
national media.
Listen.
Where was
Pawan
your
Kalyan-
voice then, Vivek Srivastava?
Listen to me. Let me speak. Pawan, please. Pawan Kalyan started as a fan of Che Guevara and the left, as a socialist, and today he is a fanatic Hindu who's trying to come and buy his votes by flaring communal passions. This is what
So
he's
now
doing,
these
and this
are
is
not
how
So
I
now
hate
Pawan
him. He
Kalyan
may have
is to
got
be
the votes,
blamed for
but
the
he's not into
stampede.
national development.
Now, are you saying Pawan
And
Kalyan
Allu
is to
Arjun
be
should not
blamed
have
for
been
the
given bail.
stampede?
It is my personal opinion. My personal opinion, Allu Arjun should not have been given the bail. Okay, he has messed up the things. A lady died, people got injured. He kept on sitting and watching the movie. बाहर जाकर के हाथ हिला रहे हैं और ये VIP culture बंद होना चाहिए. Bail नहीं मिलनी थी. And it is very correct that the police has approached the court. He did not help the police manage the crowd. They did not tell the police the number of people expected. Whenever there is an event, the police always asks how many people are coming, how many participants, the nature of crowd. Do you want?
I want to ask you.
How many
I want to ask you. Will you say one word about the police that failed in its duty? Shehzad Poonawalla, not one person. You're blaming Allu Arjun. You know that's your prerogative, but not
Just
blaming the
30
police
seconds.
at all.
Yes.
Just 30 seconds. Vivek ji, because you've spoken, I want to ask you a question. 30
They
seconds.
did not give the police the
Vivek ji,
entire
1 second.
information
Vivek ji,
which the
30
police asked
seconds.
for.
Vivek ji, 30 seconds. She's given the
Then
time.
एक सेकंड शहजाद, जब हम प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं
चलिए।
और अमित शाह की पुलिस
अब
हमसे
देखिए,
पूछती है
you know,
कि
Navika,
भर के दो,
following rules
विवेक
and
जी,
discipline is becoming a
protest कर रहे हो
problem now.
जंतर मंतर पे कितने लोग
Now,
आएंगे?
Navika, let me please
कैसा
come.
बंदोबस्त चाहिए?
Navika,
कितने
please let me
कांस्टेबल?
come
One
in.
minute,
Allu Arjun and
Vivek
the
Srivastava.
Let me come in.
Vivek
Did not get
Srivastava.
Telangana
If it is
Police
a BJP ruled state, you raise
Navika,
questions
1
about
second.
who is responsible for law and order. Why is that question not being asked in Telangana,
Now,
in
please,
Hyderabad?
now, Vivek, you have to stop and listen to the other side, please.
Because Allu Arjun is the accused.
Ma'am,
and he
can you
messed up
please
things
allow him?
And did not give information
Can you please
to the
ask him to
police.
keep quiet so I can
That
make
is
my
why.
point?
Okay, make your point.
Vivek ji, first of all, let's be true to the facts. On 2nd of December, a letter was written by the theatre to the ACP saying that we need security. On 4th of December, the film production also wrote, I want you to tell me what action was taken by the police authorities. If they did not take, how many police authorities were booked for this death? And thirdly, I want you to tell me which number in the accused list is Allu Arjun. 11th.
I'll tell you.
If he's 11th,
I'll tell
you
you.
want to arrest
I'll tell
him.
you. The
But
num- the
those
number of
policemen who
people-
were given the information,
Now let me-
they should face
let
no
me
action.
answer.
Great.
The police is great in Telangana. They are doing a fantastic job.
Yes, we can see
They are doing
5
a
girls are
fantastic
raped
job.
every day.
They are not bothered.
5
who.
women are raped
आप कितना
every
अडानी को
day.
नहीं बचा
5
रहे हैं।
minor girls
अल्लू
are raped
अर्जुन हो या
every
कोई भी
day.
हो, पकड़ के डाला जेल में और यही होना चाहिए. हाँ.
Acha.
Allu Arjun and the event managers did not give the correct number of people that could be collected over there.
But if
Crowd
they-
के बारे में information नहीं दिया
How
गया
can-
properly.
no,